Do you find history boring or too vast to revise? Tired of memorizing dates and names that just don't stick? Don't worry. In this video, I'll give you a killer strategy to master history for both prelims and mains with smart tips, top books, and a plan that actually works. Let's turn history into your highest scoring subject. So let's be clear, UPSC does not want you to become a historian. It wants you to understand why behind events, the connections, and how society, politics, and culture evolved. In prelims, it's about facts and quick recall, especially from ancient, medieval, and modern history. In mains, it's about analysis, causes, impact, and linking events with present day governance and society. There's a key tip that I'll give you: understand the story behind events, don't just mug up dates. Here is the most efficient books. For ancient history, there is an old NCRT by R.S. Sharma, and for medieval, there is Satish Chandra book, or you can also read Tamil Nadu board books, especially of class 11th and 12th. And there is a modern history for modern history. You can read Spectrum. You should read Spectrum by Rajiv Ahir and master this like a pro. And second book for modern history, you can read NCRT of class 12th and other classes as well. And for art and culture, there is a book of Nitin Singhania, and you can also read cultural chapters from 11th Fine Arts NCRTs. And please don't try to finish everything at once. Follow a weekly target, revise, test, and repeat. And now, your study buddy will give you a smart strategy for prelims and mains as well. So, for prelims strategy, focus on facts, timelines, and important personalities. Make micro notes for quick revision and solve PYQs of last 10 years. And you know that 90% pattern repeats in some form. And for mains strategy, practice answer writing, link historical facts with constitutional development, social movements, and reforms. Use maps, flowcharts, and timelines in your answers. Read topper copies to see how they simplify answers. There's a golden rule that prelims के लिए याद करो और mains के लिए समझो. And here I'll give you an example like weekly plan. So Monday to Wednesday you can read ancient and medieval from NCRTs, and Thursday to Friday modern history from Spectrum and make notes. And on Saturday you can solve PYQs and revise whatever you have read. And on Sunday you can give a test or write one main style answer. Keep it light, consistent, and revise every third week. History is not just about the past, it's your chance to understand foundation of India's present with the right strategy. It's not just doable, it's scoreable. So pick up your books, follow this strategy, and make UPSC history with your success. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calm and Crack for more high quality UPSC content. And if you got questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll reply everyone. All the best, future officers. Thank you.